Welcome YouTube. This is a Thanksgiving weekend or week, so short week for us. It is Wednesday. We're shipping. Let's see what Philip is doing. He's in here. Oh, hi Philip. What are you doing?
I'm unloading.
Okay, looking good. Looking good. Can you tell people what you're doing?
I am pounding in pegs and running the machine around at the same time.
So we're carving a run on these, and you're putting pegs in those. So he is pounding in pegs like that. And any problems? All good? Alrighty. Let me see what you got. Alright. Forgot to bring home boxes for our big signs, 23 by 11, so I gotta drive to my storage facility and pick up a bundle of boxes. Fun times. Check out all this brush from the ice storm. Crazy. Oh no, I forgot my knife. Dang it. So we got big boxes here, and by big boxes I mean 24-14-4, and we got 24-10-3 here. Yeah, that's 1,000 boxes. Need to count these 12-inch ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Need to use those here very soon. Yeah, this week has not been very good.